I think a lot of people, I mean, I know you pride yourself on being a great salesman, and I think when a lot of people think about great salesmen, they just think of someone who's going to make you feel great and take you out to dinner. But you
No,
found what was the secret to being good at
no, the
sales?
secret to me, I mean, look, the person who can sell ice to Eskimos, that type of thing. Yeah, that to me, those aren't great salespeople at all. The best salespeople are the ones that really put themselves in the shoes of their potential customer and get to understand what they're trying to accomplish, what's important to them, what reduces their stress, and then finds ways to make it happen, and then stays with them because then as in now, your best referral points are people who love your product and love the work that you do. And so I really invested a lot of time. And the good news was, turns out I loved it. I really didn't have a tech background. It's not like now where kids today are growing up with technology. It was all relatively new, but I would find myself sitting down to read a manual, the IUS software manual, right, or Peachtree accounting manual, this stuff from the Wayback Machine, and 4 or 5, 6 hours later, I would pop up thinking I'd only been doing it an hour, and then I started to teach myself how to program in BASIC and, even some assembly language and database and scripting languages and DOS and this and that. And so, you start sitting there with a project in mind that you were doing for a customer. And I mean, I gained about 30 pounds because I would sit there literally with a basket of ribs and just be, eating, wiping, typing, wiping, eating, but time would just go by and I'd be there 18, 20, 24 hours and not realize how long I'd been sitting there. And, that really just, the fact that I took to it like that really was a huge advantage for me.